Hey everyone, welcome back to Stock Predictor. Today's video is going to be a complete game changer because I'm going to show you how to make money fast in 2026 as a teen between the ages of 12 and 18. I'm not talking about complicated stuff, I'm not talking about methods that take months to work, and I'm definitely not talking about scams. I'm breaking down real, practical, and proven ways teens everywhere are earning money quickly, some of them starting the same day. Whether you're in middle school, high school, or about to turn 18, these methods will help you get money in your pocket without needing a credit card, a bank account, or a ton of experience. So sit tight, because I'll explain how much each method can earn, how fast you can actually start making money, and exactly what you need to do. And trust me, the last few methods are the ones almost no teens are talking about, even though they are the fastest paying ones. Let's get into it. The first big way teens are making money fast in 2026 is by offering simple online services. And before you say, I don't have skills, trust me, you do. If you're a teen, you already know how to do things that adults either don't have time for or don't understand. Short-form video editing, captioning TikToks, removing backgrounds, making aesthetic Canva designs, editing school project videos, making YouTube shorts, creating thumbnails. These are tiny tasks you can learn quickly and sell on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Instagram, Snapchat, or Discord. Even if you start charging small amounts, like $3 to $10 per task, you can easily earn $50 to $100 a day if you do enough volume. Short videos are in crazy demand right now, and businesses, influencers, and students are constantly looking for editors. The best part is, you can learn everything for free on YouTube. You don't need a big computer. You can edit completely on your phone using CapCut, VN, or Canva. That alone makes it one of the fastest ways to get paid in 2026. Another fast method that teens absolutely dominate at is flipping items. And this one is perfect if you don't have any upfront money. Start with things you already own but no longer use: old toys, gaming accessories, clothes, books, headphones, bags, makeup organizers, anything. Take clear photos and sell them on Facebook Marketplace, Instagram Stories, TikTok Shop-style posts, OfferUp, or even to classmates. You'll be shocked how fast people buy when the price is good. Then take the profit, reinvest it by buying underpriced items, clean them, and sell them for more. I've seen teens buy a $5 item and flip it for $20. You can do this with shoes, school calculators, sports equipment, gaming keyboards, or even cheap electronics. If you do just a few flips per week, that's fast, reliable money without needing a job. Another method almost any teen can do is homework help and tutoring. And no, you don't need to be some top student or super genius. If you're good at a subject, math, English, science, or even basic reading skills, you can help younger students. Kids between grades 3 and 7 always need homework support, and parents are willing to pay for it. You can charge $5 to $15 per hour, depending on your age and skill. And you don't even need to tutor online, you can help in person, through WhatsApp voice notes, or over video calls. Teens usually underestimate this method, but it's one of the most consistent and quickest ways to make cash, especially if you're between 12 and 15 and can't get formal jobs yet. Now, one of the biggest opportunities in 2026 is content creation. Before you roll your eyes, hear me out. Short-form content, like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, is growing faster than ever. And you don't need a fancy camera. Your phone is more than enough. You can post about your daily routine, comedy, school life, motivation, gaming edits, cooking hacks, aesthetic desk setups, study tips, or literally anything you're passionate about. Brands in 2026 care less about follower count and more about engagement. Even creators with 1,000 followers get paid for shoutouts or small brand deals now. And if you don't want to show your face, that's fine. You can run faceless pages about quotes, productivity, stories, AI-generated clips, gaming clips, or niche facts. Monetization is faster than ever, and if you get one viral video, you could make money the same month. Another awesome way teens are earning quick cash is by selling digital products. This is one of my personal favorite money-making methods because you do the work once and earn from it over and over again. You can create planners, templates, motivational wallpapers, printable worksheets, budget trackers, study notes, flashcards, calendars, resume templates, digital stickers, anything. You can make all of this on Canva for free, then sell on Etsy, Gumroad, Instagram, or your own Linktree. Teens are earning $20 to $200 a week doing this depending on how many products they upload. If you create something helpful or aesthetic, it will sell. And digital products require no shipping, no inventory, and no packaging, which is why they pay fast. Here's another way teens in 2026 are making fast money: micro tasks and simple online jobs. These are super quick tasks like reviewing apps, testing websites, typing short audio clips, doing quick research, or answering small surveys. Websites like ClickWorker, microworkers, and various app testing platforms can pay $5 to $10 per task. It may not be the highest paying method long term, but if you need money instantly, this is good. Some tasks take only 2 to 5 minutes. Doing 10 tasks a day can easily add up. Another super realistic way for teens to earn fast money is offering small services in your neighborhood. People underestimate how much you can make with simple offline jobs. You can wash cars, mow lawns, walk dogs, babysit, clean garages, help with groceries, organize rooms, clean backyards, or help elderly neighbors with errands. Teens aged 12 to 15 especially benefit from these because you can't legally work most jobs yet, but neighbors will pay you cash directly. You can charge anywhere from $3 to $20 depending on the job. And the demand is always high because adults are busy, tired, or simply don't want to do these small tasks. One of the most underrated money-making methods teens are using in 2026 is helping small businesses with social media. Here's the thing. Small business owners don't understand TikTok, trends, sounds, or editing. If you approach a local bakery, cafe, salon, clothing shop, or home-based business and say, "I can make your Instagram reels," or "I can manage your TikTok," they will almost always say yes. Even charging $5 to $20 per reel can add up quickly. And once you get one business, others will follow. You can create a portfolio and grow fast. Another unique way to make money in 2026 is through contests and challenges. This includes TikTok challenges, creative contests, video challenges, gaming competitions, and app-based reward contests. These pay real money and sometimes even give cash prizes up to $50 or $100. Teens who are creative or skilled in gaming can make quick money from these opportunities. One of the sneakiest but most profitable ways teens earn money today is selling notes and study materials. If you take neat notes, summarize chapters, make flashcards, or create exam guides, you can sell them as PDFs. Students always want high-quality study materials. You can charge $1 to $5 per file and earn passively every week. Another fast method is affiliate marketing. It sounds complicated, but it's honestly one of the easiest ways to earn money online. You sign up for programs from Amazon, Canva, clothing brands, tech brands, or gaming websites. Share product links in your bio or your videos. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Teens who make review videos or top 10 lists are earning $50 to $200 per month easily. Another creative way teens make money is renting out things they own. If you have a bicycle, camera, ring light, laptop, speakers, books, costumes, calculators, or even board games, you can rent them out to classmates, neighbors, or online. People are willing to pay for short-term use of things they don't want to buy. Voiceover work is another high-paying teen-friendly method. If you have a clear voice or even a unique voice, you can record lines for videos, ads, short films, or narration. You don't need a studio. A quiet room and your phone are enough. One short voiceover job can pay $5 to $50. Helping adults with technology is also booming for teens in 2026. Adults need help setting up phones, creating emails, transferring data, installing apps, formatting documents, or learning how to use social media. Teens can charge a few dollars per task and get paid instantly. Another quick way to make money is reselling trending items. Whether it's trending stationery, small gadgets, cute accessories, keychains, stickers, phone cases, or beauty products, buy them cheap and sell them for profit. Teens are making daily income selling small items at school or on Instagram. Now let's talk about something important: investing. This is not fast money for today, but if you're 16 to 18, you can open beginner-friendly accounts with parental permission and start building long-term income. Even investing small amounts can grow significantly over time and give you financial power later. Before I end this video, here are a few key tips that will help you make money faster. Be consistent. No method works if you quit after one day. Start small. Don't try 10 things at once. Pick one method and stick to it for at least a week. Be professional. Even if you're young, people will hire you if you communicate well. Reinvest your earnings so you can grow your money over time. And most importantly, start today. The sooner you start, the faster you'll earn. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, 2026 Money, and subscribe to Stock Predictor for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.